Hello friends, welcome back to my channel All in One. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple Python program. Let's start. Let's see what we can learn in this video. What is Python? Then application to use Python. How many things in Python? Make a first program in Python. Let's go forward. What is Python? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language created by the Van Rossum and its first release in 1991. Python design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white space. Its language, construct, and object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear and logical code for small and large scale projects. This is a short intro of Python. Let's move forward. That is application to use Python. Now question is that which application should you use for Python? Basically there is a lot of application to use Python. But in this tutorial I will tell you which application is best for you. Here is a some list of application. First is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a one open source web application that you can use to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualization, and text. Second one is one of the most famous software, that is PyCharm. PyCharm is an integrated development environment used in computer programming, specifically for the Python language. Third one is the Spyder. Spyder is like the same as Jupyter Notebook, but in Jupyter Notebook there is a cell, so that's why we can create a code one by one and it execute it. In Spyder there is no cell. And the fourth one is the Python. Python is the good software, but it's like boring to code. So, but I am personally suggest you to use Python Jupyter Notebook because Jupyter is the best for Python beginners. If you want to download this application, I had given link in description. If you download Anaconda Navigator, in that application you get Jupyter Notebook as well as Spyder. Let's go forward. That is how many things in Python. Basically there is a syllabus of Python. First is variable, then lists, tuple, dictionary, loop, if else statement, file operation, class, inheritance model. These all things are in Python to learn. Okay, next is finally we make a first program in Python. I will show you by practically way in my computer screen. Let's go to my computer screen. Okay, now I'm on my computer screen. Let's start the coding. I'm opening Anaconda Navigator. Here is a Jupyter Notebook. Let's open, and it will open on a Google Chrome because Jupyter Notebook will always open in Google Chrome, and this is the home page of the Jupyter Notebook. So you can simply go to the new and Python 3. This window will come. Okay, let's print our first program. Print parenthesis double quotation first program in Python. You can also execute this program by clicking run or shift plus enter. Now I am using run. Okay, I got an output first program in Python. Okay, this is a very simple program. Display the first program in Python. It's often using an illustrated syntax of the languages. In this program you have using a built print function and parenthesis like a round bracket, and it will be execute the code. And whatever you write in the string, whatever it will be show output on the computer screen. Okay, by the way, a string is a sequence of a character in a Python. String are enclosed inside single quote, double quote, or triple quote. This is a string. Okay, let's take another example. Let's print hello world. Okay, let's shift plus enter. I got an output. Nice. So how? This is the string I had used, and in that string I'll type hello world, so that's why it will give me the output of hello world. So as possible as solve many example, so you can understand very simple and easy to understand Python language. Thank you for watching.